Good afternoon, guys. I'm Manoj, and now I'm gonna explaining you that why direct selling business is necessary and important in our life. Okay. So first, let me make you understand what is the selling process. This is a general selling process, and here direct selling. Okay. So in general selling, what is actually happening? Manufacturer send product to distributor, then dealer, then retailer, then customer. Okay. In direct selling is actually a latest version of general of selling, you can say. So here what is the process? Here you can say like from manufacturer from a manufacturer to distributor, then directly to customer. So this is the basic difference and basic funda between general selling and direct selling. Okay. So in general selling you can say manufacturer, distributor, dealer and retailer and customer. So if you're taking around 10 rupees manufacturing cost of a product, when it reaches to customer, it is around 100 rupees. But if in direct selling, what is happening? If the manufacturing cost of a product is 10 rupees, around it's just around 2 to 3% of profit. Then customer get the product in 12 or 13 rupees. You can say there is no any extra information about extra difference between general selling and direct selling. This is only the thing. And in direct selling we are getting what to say, most priority likely, as you can say, important product, sorry, it's needy product and qualitative product. Okay, as compared to general market. Okay, then we are coming to why direct selling is necessary in our life. Why it's I mean total necessary in nowadays, now in current situation, why it's totally necessary in our life. Because guys, let me make you very clear, this is job and this is netto marketing or MLM, you can say. Okay, netto marketing or MLM, which is MLM stands for multi-level marketing. Okay, in job this is your first year and this is your second year. Okay, and this is your third year, this is your fourth year. And netto marketing, this is also first year, second, third, fourth. So what is happening over here? In job you're getting around, you're working for 8 hours and getting around 20k of salary. So in second year the same 8 hours is getting continued to when till the time you're in job. The 8 hours will definitely continue in your life. 8 hours, 8 hours. So it's like you can say increment rate is 10%, 25k, but you can say a 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh per month. But yes, here you may be up to the survive level, but you can't reach your goal because you have to work 8 hours in job. At the end of the day, netto marketing was what happens. This is the graph. This is work, payment. This is the graph, which is exponential growth, we can say. This is the work. In first year you're getting this amount of money. In the second year you're working for your working category is just gonna less. Then your payment is just as compared to work. In third, your working capacity is just lesser and your payment is just increasing. And the fourth year you no need to work for you, sorry, no need to do work, and you can get extremely earning. Here is the work and payment, which is the basic necessary of netto marketing, MLM or job. Even you can differentiate, guys. You're totally clever and you're totally educated, so you can totally differentiate what if you want to do job or if you want to do netto marketing. I know I don't know how to explain all those things, I'm just even like you guys, I'm in a learning phase. So first I'm making clear this is the information that we need to do. So please confirm once. Do you want to get a job, or do you want to become a native marketer or a direct seller? Okay. So it's totally depend upon you. Now I'm telling you, actually, as I'm just give you the information why we need to do direct selling business and why it's important in our life. You can say in 1940 we need around 1 rupees, okay, around 1 rupees to survive per month in 1940. But in 1960, 1 into 10, it's like 10 rupees. If your earning is 10 rupees, you can survive in this year. In 1980, it's around 100 rupees. In 2000, it's around 1000. Yes. So in 2020, guys, this is economical graph, you can say. In 1940, we need around 10 rupees to survive per month. In 1960, just multiply the 10 into 10, it's around 100 rupees. Then in 1980, it's taking around like 1000 rupees. In 2010, it became 10,000 rupees. But in 2020, it's 1 lakh rupees is very small needed to go to the upper level of survival. Okay, I think you got my point, guys. Survival. So if you want to get rid of survival level, you have to income 1 lakh per month. So just think, in 2020 we need 1 lakh rupees per month, but in 2040 it around 10 lakh rupees. So what is the basic rule? Are we doing something right now to get 2000? In 2040 we can earn 10 lakh rupees. Is it possible? In my opinion, it's not possible. But if we are engaging, if we are doing this, if we are implementing this idea, if we are doing with same information, netto marketing field, definitely we can easily achieve this earning, okay, in 2040. So this is my basic funda, guys. Please come to our business and no need to get worried. Direct selling business is a very good business. You can easily earn a lakh rupees per month, okay. So now I'm telling you in which company I'm working and how can you get a million, how can you become a millionaire in a month. Sorry, not in a month. I'm extremely sorry for that. So I'm giving you the information. So now my company name is AWPL. It's Asclepius Wellness Private Limited. Okay. So this is the business, this is the company I'm working with. And now I'm telling you, company CEO is Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, who is a ex-army person. Okay. And now our company headquarter in Delhi, Dwarka. So in which basic niche we are working? Our niche is health and wellness. So what is the basic motive to build that company? Sanjeev sir has said that he used to work with various network service, network marketing field like direct selling business, but he didn't get satisfied in his life. So he thought, yes, I have to do something for my country. I have to do something for my for those people who didn't get successful in their life with this field, with the network marketing field. So that's why we built that. And now we are actually, the company has started on 2014 November. Okay. So this is the company name and this is the company brand, and we are working with health and wellness, which is totally Ayurvedic, and we have also food products. Okay, so I'm not going to that part. I'll make you understand later. And this is the company. Sanjeev Kumar is the CEO, and our headquarters is in Delhi, Dwarka, and we are working with health and wellness. Our basic field is to help you to help people to get rid of income, lack of income, and health, you can say. Okay, so in two basic needs we are working here. You can invite your people, invite your friends, invite your relatives to do the business, as you can earn a lakh rupees from this business, because I'm definitely explaining you at the end of the video. So this is the basic principle, this is the basic company we are working, AWPL Sleepers Wellness Private Limited. Okay, so this is the company profile, and I'm giving you some product information. We have a very good product, Immunodoc, which will actually help you to boost your energy level, to boost up your immune system of your body. Okay, so we have around Divodoc, Divodoc, which is for diabetes. And see, in single product there is a curable product, there is a curable medicine of 2 or 3 diseases, you can say. Start. Yes, I'm explaining about the Divodoc. Divodoc is a medicine which will help you to control your diabetes, I mean sugar level, and in a single product you can manage your 2 to 3 diseases. We have around Dentodoc, uh, which you can use like a toothpaste, and yes, you can use this toothpaste as a face wash. You never seen any sort of product like AWPL. You can see the product in only in AWPL, not in any sort of direct selling field. Okay, so these are the main basic product. We have around 57, around 60 products in AWPL. Okay, now I'm going to explaining you about the payout process. So here we have around binary income. Binary means here is you are here, and here this is your SAO, left leg, this is your SGO, right leg. Okay, this is you. If a guy join in this leg and in this leg, you get the check of rupees 1000 rupees. Okay, this is the binary income. Okay, we have around 6 type of earning in AWPL. I'll make you understand one by one. So after that, and these people can join the 2 people. Here he get around 1000 of check, and he get around 1000 of check, and this guy get 2000 of check. This is the binary income. So first you can say this is the binary income. The second is level earning. What is the level earning? If you join this bunch of people around you, you get the extra income of 1500, and this income is generating weekly, and this level earning generating monthly. Okay, so in third level you get trips, I mean tours and travels. Okay, tour and travels. Then in fourth is repurchase earning, and in fifth it's retail earning. Okay, so retail earning is you buy the product from company like 1585, and you can sell it in market 1900. So this is the 20% benefit you get if you are 20% of profit. So what is the repurchase earning? When your team, for an example, you can say here is your 10,000 team, 10,000 member, and in right leg there is 10,000 member. If the whole member, for some member are purchasing product like any product, Dentodog, Immunodog, Divodog, any product they are purchasing, which is repurchasing, because see we have many product which is qualitative, and it's very perfect quality, ek number quality, right? Yes, as I told you, we have quality of A1 quality product we have. So yeah, maybe there is a huge necessary of people so that they can consume like Immunodoc, Divodoc, any sort of product. So if your team is around 10,000 in left and 10,000 in right, so you can also achieve around, you can also earn 2 to 5 lakh rupees in per month in repurchase, category. Okay, so here is binary, the second is level earning, third is tour and travels, fourth is repurchase, fifth is retail earning. Okay, so what is the main, these are the earnings you can earn from AWPL, right? So here I'm telling you what you can get if you're doing, if you're joining netto marketing widgets. Basically in AWPL, what you can earn, what you can learn, everything. The first one is, you can say, the first one is time freedom. You can say the first one is time freedom, second money freedom, third one is name fame, fourth is trips. Trips are available, right? Trips are available in earning mode. Trips are available. And in fifth, lifetime security. So what is the lifetime security? I'll let you know. If a guy, if a guy coming, or you can say joining with 15K, he or she will get a maximum of 20 to 22 lakh rupees in his account. Okay, so what what is the actual information is, if a people, if a person can, if a person join with rupees 15K, I mean 100 SP, so he get around 20 to 20 after accidentally death. After accidentally death, he get this amount in his bank. Okay, so that is what I'm telling you. So in time freedom, you you are doing work, you are doing job for 8 hours. So here the time freedom is not available. You can't easily go to movie, you can't easily making fun with your friends, you can't easily you can't do anything because time freedom is not there. Okay, so what is money freedom? In money freedom, you have limited income, you have limited income of 50K, 20K, etc. So even you can't enjoy perfectly in with this income. Name fame, only the 100 or 200 people only known about you. 1 or 200 people only know you, who are you and from where you belong. But here lakhs of people may know within 2 to 3 years. And trips, tour and travels, which trips are available, and the lifetime security, as I've just informed, this is the lifetime security, right?